Hi guys, welcome to yet another unboxing video. This time it is the Richard Legrand Odyssey Mark III. It literally just arrived in the mail today and I'm really excited for this because I was always looking to get the Odyssey Mark II, but they sold out really quickly. So let's go ahead and open it. It's in a paper box. Oh! It comes in a watch roll. I did not expect this because in the pre-order they definitely did not mention anything about the watch roll, and it's leather, which is really nice. You have a warranty card. Yeah, that's it. But again, I got to say I'm quite surprised it came in this watch roll. Another surprise. Again, they did not mention that it's gonna come with a spring bar removal tool. So far, I'm really happy with what I'm seeing. I knew it will come in an optional rubber strap. Let's get to that later maybe. But here's the watch itself. What I got was the ocean blue variant of the dial. So far I'm really liking what I see. Nice sunburst blue. Just a quick one, it's 40mm in diameter. It has a Miyota 9039 high beat movement. I got this at a pre-order price of $299 US, which I think is an absolute steal considering what you're getting. Sapphire bezel, sapphire glass, high beat movement. So far really impressed. Okay, let's get the stickers out. Should have saved that for last, but well, couldn't wait. The blue is quite stunning. I don't think the camera can capture how nicely blue it is. It is definitely a bit on the dark side. I was actually really drawn to the bracelet itself because it looks like it will fit really well, and so far it really does. Looks like it does. Look, and it folds really nicely back. Let's check quick bezel action. Smooth, easy to operate, very nice click sound. Almost no backplay at all. So far really impressed. And there's a view of the case back, quite deeply engraved or deeply etched. I can see high beat 9038 Miyota movement. Okay, that's just the initial unboxing. Hope to come up with a review soon after I had a little bit of time with it. So thanks guys for watching. And I got to say, so far I'm really impressed. You get a leather watch roll, a spring bar removal tool, as well as an additional rubber strap. And again, love the blue. Thanks for watching guys, and see you guys in the review video.